Good morning, students. I am audible. I am audible or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Just wait 2 minutes, then we will start the session.
Okay. Okay. So now I think you are getting my voice. So I think now the whiteboard is visible for all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, yesterday class, we have started discussing about the mm, binary to octal number system, but you said that there is some problem to understand because some network issues. So again, I am here discussing the binary to octal conversion. Okay. So one thing that this is the 2 period class, okay, and each and every period you will give the attendance whenever I will to tell you one thing. So first, this is the first the binary to octal conversion. Okay, so before going to start the binary to octal conversion, everyone should know what is the octal number system. Okay, so mainly the octal number system is extensively used by the early mini computer. Whenever in the early stage in mini computer, the octal number system is used, and this is also a position weighted system. Position weighted system means you already know in the binary conversion, binary system. I already discussed what is position weighted system, and for the base of octal number system is 8. So it has 8 independent symbol, that is 0 to 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so its base is 8. 8 means you can write here 2 to the power 3. Okay, so whenever you will try to convert any binary number to octal number, in that case, you will consider every 3-bit group of binary. Okay, so every 3-bit of binary number can be represented as a octal number. Suppose, and in the last class, you also saw a table. So here, suppose. I am given here the octal number, that is 367.52. This is a octal number. Sorry, just 1 minute. This is here. This is sorry. This is octal binary. Sorry. Yeah. So if it is octal to binary, so our aim is now to binary. So suppose here to convert any octal to binary number, in that case, you just replace each octal digit by its 3-bit of binary equivalent. Okay, so 3-bit of binary equivalent means here the octal number is 3. So, 3, 6, 7.52. Okay. So convert each octal digit to binary. Okay, so suppose I am here writing from right to left. So here in octal it is 2, but in a binary, what is the value? What is the equivalent value? You know the number in binary is only 0 and 1. So for consider 0 and 1, for consider 0 and 1. So what is the 3-digit value of 2? 2 means 3-bit हमको चाहिए, तो यहाँ पर हमको 0, 1 and 0. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes.
So 2 equals to, here in binary it is 0, 1, 0. So what is the value a 5 in binary? ये 8 को छोड़ दो.
1 0
1 0
1
1 0 1.
0 1.
Yeah. So 4 और 1 ये में 5 होता है, तो जिसमें जिसमें प्लस करके हमको 5 आ रहा है उसमें 1 और बाकी सारा को 0. So 1 0 1. Next point, it's 7. 7 means 7 means what?
1 1 1.
Yeah, 7 means 4 plus 2, 6 plus
1
1, 7. So 7 means 1 1 1. 6 means 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 6. So it is 1 1 0. And 3 means here 2 plus 1, but we need 3 digits. So we need 3 digits. So that's why it is 0 1 1. So this is the octal value. This is given by, and this is given, that is 367.52, and its binary equivalent value is 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 point 1 0 1 0 1 0 base 2. This is the conversion for octal to binary. It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
If is there in doubt, you can ask. I will repeat again. Otherwise, I will move for further. I hope you understand. So the next is the binary to octal conversion. Okay. So just few seconds ago, you saw the octal to binary conversion. Okay. So for this case, I am here writing one binary number, that is 101.101.101.0. Okay. This is a binary number. Now our aim is to convert it octal number. The base is 8. Okay. So for this case, you just consider 3 bit for each group. Okay. So here, this is the 3 bit. This is the 3 bit. Okay. And this is the 3 bit and this is the 3 bit. It is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If this is the 3 bit, so it is 101. So 101 means in octal, what is the number? I am here writing 421. For the case of octal, you just remember this value 421. So if you realize, or if you consider with this value, so 4 plus 1, so it is 5. So 110 means
6.
110 means 6 point. This is 101. 101 means
5.
5, and this is 010 010. So this is 2.
2.
So in this way, you can convert any binary number to octal number. So the value is 65.52 base 8. This is the binary to octal conversion. It is clear, or is there any doubt? It is clear or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
There are 38 students, so I am expecting that more response from you people. So without your response, I am not getting that you are understanding or not. Suppose in here the number is given, that is 110 point 101 sorry 1. Okay, tell me this binary to octal conversion. Tell me. I have given here the binary value, that is 110.101101.
सर
3
पॉइंट
to
के बाद 5
6.55
होगा उधर और इधर होगा सर 6 5 और
सर 3 to 6 होगा।
तो जो पूरा जो तुम्हारा आंसर है वो चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो, हम देख रहे हैं। हाँ ठीक है, हम देख लिए। देखो यहाँ पर क्या है, 3 बीट करके हमको जुड़ना होगा। सो यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 3, लेकिन यहाँ पर 2 बीट है। इफ यू विल गेट 1 बीट or 2 बीट, but you need 3 बीट, in that case you just put 0 in the left side. Okay, you just put or consider 0 in the left side of that particular group. So here 2 bits, so I am here considering 0 in the left hand side of this group. So and this is 3, so 3, so 101 means 5, 101 means 5. This is 110 means 4 to 6, 010, this is 2, and 011 means 2 plus 1 3, so it is 326.55. I already got some answer in the chat box, so I hope you already understand this. One thing that here I got answer 2F55. This one, just 1 minute. Kumar Akash.
yes sir.
You have written here the 2F point double five.
No sir, वो by mistake sir हो गई थी, but
Okay.
yes
So
sir.
F is in
वो सर
hexadecimal number system.
मैं आपका बाइनरी टू ये इसमें डेसिमल में चेक कर दूं, ये ऑक्टल का 326.55.
ठीक है. So this is the binary to octal conversion. Okay. Now we are moving
Hello,
from
sir.
the next. Sorry.
हेलो
हाँ.
सर एक चीज पूछना था, इसमें सर एक ट्रिक भी होता है ना, ये जो कोई नंबर रहता है अगर
बोलो. हेलो.
उसे जो
सॉरी, तुम्हारा आवाज.
मतलब सर एक मैं 0 से नंबर स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, उसे मैं जस्ट
हाँ.
डबल करते जा रहा हूँ। हेलो एम आई
No, you are not audible.
हेलो
हाँ, बोलो.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, कट रहा है, बोलो, हम सुन रहे हैं.
सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर, एक इसमें ट्रिक भी शायद होता है ना सर, ये जो 0 से मैं अगर कोई नंबर स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ उसे मैं मतलब उसका जस्ट डबल करते जा रहा हूँ, और उसमें सर जो बीच का जो मिलेगा उसे मैं सर बाद बाकी उसका बीच में सर 1 1 डाल दूंगा। सर ऐसे करके भी निकल सकता है कि नहीं?
हो सकता है शायद. हमको ये प्रोसेस ही पता है. ठीक है, तुम जो बोल रहे हैं, तो तुम एक बार दिखाकर व्हाट्सएप में भेज सकते हो हमको. हम तुम्हारा आवाज
अच्छा
कट
ठीक
रहा
है
है.
सर, मैं हाँ
हाँ हाँ,
मैं
ठीक
सर
है.
थोड़ा अभी घर से बाहर हूँ, मैं भेज दूंगा ऐसे, बाद में आपको मैं
हाँ,
व्हाट्सएप करूंगा वो चीज।
ठीक
ओके सर।
ठीक. ओके. So next is the binary to hexadecimal. Okay. Okay. पहले हम हेक्साडेसिमल से बाइनरी करते हैं. Okay, so before start this conversion, I am requesting you, all of you, just put your name in the chat box for this attendance purpose. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to put your name in the chat box. Okay, so now we will move forward to hexa to binary conversion. Okay, so for hexa to binary conversion, it is also a position weighted system, and for the case of hexadecimal, you already know the radix or base value is 16. So it has the 16 independent symbol, and it is 0 to 15, and after 9 it is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, and it is denoted as A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so for this case here base is 16, so you can write here 16 equals to 2 to the power 4. So for this conversion, you just consider 4 binary digit combination. For the octal, you are considering 3 binary digit combination. For hexadecimal, it is 4 binary digit combination. Okay, so 4 binary digit combination is represented as a 1 hexadecimal digit. Okay, and one thing you should remember that 4-bit group is called nibble. Nibble. This is called nibble. Okay, Nibble. In MCQ, it is a question in any exam. It is asked. Okay, so now here, suppose the given number, that is the hexadecimal number. Suppose here it is given 4BAC. So you just try to convert it to binary number. For the case of hexadecimal, I have said that there is 4 bit in each group. You will consider 4 bit. For octa, it is 3 bit. First, you convert each hex digit into binary. हो रहा है? हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सर 100
100
फिर से 101 110101
ग्रुप इवन चैट
फिर
बॉक्स
10 फिर 1110
ठीक है, हम दिखा रहे हैं, शायद गलत आ रहा है. ठीक है, so there are 4 hex digit. Okay, so first our aim is to convert each hex digit to 4-bit binary. So here 4-bit binary hexadecimal we will convert. So it is 4 means in binary what is the value? What is the value?
सर आपका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है सर सही से.
हेलो, ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा है?
अब ठीक है सर.
अभी ठीक हो गया सर.
शायद नेटवर्क. 4 in hexadecimal equals to in what? In binary. What is the value of in binary?
100 0100.
0100. Yes. So it is 0100. B means B means E. What? 11. A means 10. B means 11. 11 means what in binary? If we consider 4-bit.
1011.
Yes. 1011. A means
1010.
1010.
10.
Yes. A means 10, so 10 means 1010. And C means 11.
1100.
Yes, 1100.
00.
So this is the binary conversion. You just remember that for hexadecimal, you just consider 4-bit, and in octal it is 3-bit. Okay. So the result is this is the result for this hexadecimal number. So this is 0100101110101100. It is clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. कहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बोलो?
सर B11 होता
D.
है ना, तो हेक्साडेसिमल में 1011 कैसे हुआ?
ये B है, D नहीं है. This is B, not D.
यस सर, B.
हाँ. B का मतलब B का वैल्यू क्या होता है?
सर B का वैल्यू 11.
11.
A का 10.
हाँ, A का 10. तो 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11 ना. यहाँ पर देखो, हम 8 4 2 1 में कितने कितने जोड़ कर हमको 11 आ रहा है? हेलो.
8 to 1.
8 to 1. 8 to 1 तो 4 तो हमको नहीं चाहिए, तो 4 में 0, बाकी सारा में 1 आएगा ना.
यस
सर वो 4 के आगे जो 0 है सर, 0 1
0 1
0 0, तो वो सर 0 नेग्लिजिबल है या उसे मतलब देना ही है सर? क्योंकि
देना है.
4 का तो 1
नहीं देना है, क्योंकि ये 4 बिट वाला है
और
ना.
अगर सर मैं डायरेक्ट अगर दूंगा 100111110101100 जो सर मैं पहले किया था, बट जो वो सर आगे वो एक बार समझा दीजिए कैसे हुआ?
नहीं वो भी होगा, लेकिन ये देने में अच्छा होगा.
अच्छा, वो देने का रीजन क्या है सर? वो रीजन मुझे जानना है, वो आगे देने का रीजन.
रीजन इसीलिए बोल रहे हैं हम, जो 4 बिट बोल रहा है, यहाँ पर तो 3 बिट हो रहा है. Actually, for hexadecimal, you are considering the 4-bit value. So that's why normally in 4, so it is 100. But if it is in hexadecimal, it is if it is in octal, it is okay. But in hexadecimal, you just put 0, okay. To consider the 4-bit, that's why I am putting here the 0 in the left hand side. You are getting? Hello? You are getting or not?
यस सर.
Is there any doubt now?
नो सर.
नो सर.
Okay. Okay, so next I am giving another problem.
सर हेक्साडेसिमल में 4 डिजिट तक लिखना ही होगा.
हाँ ठीक है, हम और एक प्रॉब्लम दे रहे हैं, तुम सॉल्व करके बताओ. 3A9E point B0D. This is the hexadecimal value. I want the binary. equivalent value of this hexadecimal number. What is the value?
सर चैट में लिखे हैं सर।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके।
सर वहाँ पे पॉइंट के बाद
पॉइंट B0D।
सर हो गया सर, भेज दिए।
हो गया ना? Okay, so okay, I have seen here some of you have given a right answer, but some of you are already given the wrong answer. Okay, there is some mistake, so I am solving again. You just look this problem. Uh, Okay, it is almost 1 minute left for this session. So now I am ending this session, and after the session, you just join in the same link. Okay. Okay.
यस सर।
का भी